We would respectfully request you to enlighten us about Justice K. Subba Rao, his judicial vision, and the enduring relevance of his legacy for our young law students.
My heartiest congrats to the Moot Court Society of KR Mangalam University for taking up this great academic venture regarding the National Moot Court Competition in the name of former Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, K. Subba Rao, who was the first Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. The famous landmark judgment known as Golaknath's case, where the basic structure of the Constitution was discussed, and he authored that very judgment and also identified that no one can touch so far as fundamental rights of the individuals are concerned. But the only concern for him was whenever he delivered any judgment on some important issue was that it must be within the limitations fixed by the Constitution of India. That is why we have decided at KR Mangalam University to conduct this national level moot court competition in the name of Honorable Justice K. Subba Rao. Thank you.